What's going on, internet? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am opening up out here in my backyard just like the good old days because we are doing something today that has needed to be done for a very long time. And what we are doing today is something that I don't know anything about. So Steven and I just went over to AutoZone and picked up these lights for the trailer. They're ginormous, but it's a good thing because at least people will be able to see me stopping now. So these lights are pretty cool because they give you your brake lights, your tail lights, and your turn signals all in one. So of course, as you guys know, I absolutely hate wiring. It scares me to death. So we have Steven here today. Steven, how bad is the wiring on this trailer? 1 to 10.
It's pretty bad. It's old. Everything's kind of cut, and it's a lot of insulation has been torn. So we might redo everything.
That's what I prepared you for, at least. At least I told you. I was like, we're just gonna redo it all.
But first, we're gonna start by mounting these somewhere. So.
When I told Steven that I needed help rewiring my trailer, he's like, yeah, sure, what's not working? I was like, everything. My side markers aren't working, my blinkers don't work, my running lights don't work, brake lights don't work, nothing works. So I really needed to rewire the entire thing. But the problem is this trailer, if you guys remember, like probably last year when I bought this trailer, this was basically like a man-made trailer. Somebody created this trailer for their stock car because they couldn't get their stock cars onto any trailers without doing the whole 9 yards, like bricks, wood, all the things to try to get their car up onto the trailer. So they made this one, and it's just kind of falling apart at this point in time because it's a man-made trailer. That looks great. Are we done already?
Yeah, that's it. Done.
That's it, that's the whole thing. So I think it might be, we should probably put it towards the outer edge because of the side marker will be closer for people to be able to see, right?
That's true.
Rather than putting it like kind of in the middle, like at least it'll be closer to the other lane, I would think.
Less chance of hitting it with it.
With the car, yeah.
Yeah,
and then also like, cause that's probably the best place to put it, cause then it'll be far away from like the ratchet strap and stuff like that too.
Yeah, it's gonna angle up just a little bit when we install it, but that's okay.
So are we marking this, or we're just gonna send it?
I think we're just sending it.
Just gonna send it?
I mean, look at the rest of this.
You got your drill ready already. The drill is like right there, ready to go. Look at the rest of the trailer. I think we're fine. We can just send it.
Start it up.
Try. No marking.
Dude!
Hey!
Oh, that's the best way to do it. Dude, look at how clean that is. That's gonna be so clean.
Feels painted.
You're like, paint the freaking trailer for you to get a rattle cam right now. Call it character. Call it what you want. We were gonna take this little thing off of here, and I was like, oh, it looks like a 10. And Steven was like, how can you tell? And I was like, I can see it through the little hole right there. You can see the bolt. Can you guys see it? Oh, there it is. There's the bolt right there.
Alright, so took these nuts out to remove this light because
dude, there's already
was broken, I guess, already.
Does this fit in there? In the 3 holes that there already are?
That'd be really funny if it did.
Now that we...
Let's see.
No. No! Dude! No!
Well, that's unfortunate. But...
And there's a 3rd one for the wiring, too.
Yep.
Wait a second. Put that there real quick. Let's see. Oh, it actually kind of looks good there. And...
yeah, we gotta lower the other side now.
You think the lower one looks better?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too, damn it. Well, you almost had it first try.
Oh, it's riveted.
It's riveted. Yeah, it's definitely going to be hard to take off, so we'll just...
we would move the plate, but there's going to be even more holes than the 3 that I drilled over there.
Yep.
So we're just going to keep the lower side and lower the other side, and that's it.
Do you miss working next to the pool?
No, not really. No. It's cramped.
You've been here since I used to work on next to the pool.
It's been an interesting time.
It has been an interesting time. So I did run out of spray paint, but I did a really crappy job and just spray painted the 2 fenders, and it looks like 10 times better, so thank you for convincing me.
Yeah.
You're like, just spray paint it, you have spray paint already. I was like, alright, fine, we'll see what's left of it.
Why not? It looks way better.
You're right. It's a whole new trailer. Would you buy it now?
Oh yeah. I don't have anything to pull it with, but I buy it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're finally working our way up to the front of the trailer. It's taking a lot longer than Steven probably expected because the entire trailer needs to be rewired. Look at this. This is supposed to be the plug that plugs into the truck. And when I got home, I realized that there was nothing to unplug from the truck because there was no more plugs. So, if you guys can see, this is also fraying like really bad at this point. Like I can almost bend it to a 90-degree angle. So we're just gonna cut this and we're going to rewire this new plug that I got from Amazon to this. It came with a really cool box, but we took the box off because it's honestly just gonna be a pain in the butt to mount somewhere. So we're just gonna pretty much, what is it called? Splice. We're pretty much gonna splice those wires and connect them to this one and finally have a plug. Steven, tell us the coolest thing about this box that we're not using.
It's labeled and colored, which is pretty awesome because usually companies don't do that for you, I guess. But I don't know. I don't mess with trailer wiring too much, so this is new to me. Pretty cool. We're gonna end up using these 3 only. We don't need the rest because we're not doing trailer brakes or any of the other stuff. So we're doing the left turn signal, tail lights, and then a right turn signal, and that's it. So. Say goodbye.
Start it up.
We're not using yellow. So now I can fix it.
Because I know I can fix it. So Steven and I, well, Steven got the brake lights and the running lights to work on the trailer. It's obviously pretty dark outside. This is taking much longer than we anticipated. But when he got them running, we were like, what is that burning smell? We were like using the test light and everything. We were like, what is that smell that's burning? And Steven just found it. Can you lend me your flashlight on this in here? Oh, did you? Good. Look at the connectors on this plug. That is horrible.
Pretty bad.
Pretty bad.
It's definitely hella corroded. So.
This is so much more work than you were expecting, wasn't it?
Come on. I should have stripped these a little bit.
We're no longer illegal. No longer doing sketchy